Ashita here and welcome back to my channel The Fab Cat. As I promised you last month that I'll try and do my month favorite series by the end of the month, I'm back here with my August favorite series for you all. Okay, so before we start, if you haven't subscribed for my channel and this is your very first time on my channel, I would really like if you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So okay, we're going to start with my August favorite list. And I don't know why, but bags have to be there in my favorite list. So yes, first thing which is like topping my favorite list is basically a bag. It's also a tan color bag as my Colaba bag was, but it's not the same size. I'll show you. But if you haven't checked my Colaba's bag and you want to know what bag I'm talking about, you can check my Colaba haul and also check my July favorites. Okay, so getting started with this, the very first thing which is a bag which I told you just now, I'll just show you that. So this is the bag which I'm talking about. It's a tan color bag as usual. I have been obsessed by tan color. I don't know why, especially in the case of bags. And yeah, this time is this small sling bag which I got from a local market. It's just for 250 bucks. But it created a huge sensation among my friends. They were like, why the hell did not you buy this for us also? And this has been a part of my first travel vlog, which was to Dhanu, and also my One Shrug Different Look video as well, so you can go and check out that one also. So yeah, this is my first favorite and this is how it looks. It's very classy, it's very simple. You cannot see any kind of designing. It's simple, this color. So that is what I like about it. This is simplicity and the color. So this is how it opens up. This is a small buckle and it opens up to a big zip which is there, as you can see. I hope you can see this. Yeah, and this is a center zip which actually opens up to two partitions. Okay, it basically opens up to two partitions and yeah, it's quite spacious, but the only thing is it may be the case of just my purse or my clutch that does not fit into it because it's a little jada, if you call it. It's a little thicker compared to the space which is there, so it just cannot fit in. So if I have to carry cash, I just carry it this way. And you have a small back pocket which is there, which you can carry your money or whatever stuff you need to. So this is like a small pocket. So overall it is very you know, I feel it is like worth the budget, the money which it costs, and I really love it and I love carrying it everywhere. So this is my first favorite thing. And you must have seen my earlier favorite video. Accessories are also a part of my video, always my favorite list. So this time I have my accessories which are again from Instagram. I bought it from a page on Instagram which is called Shop Classy Official. Yes, the name is Shop Classy Official. And this time I got just a minute. Yes, I got this Dreamcatcher chain which is there. I hope you can see this. This is how it looks. So it has these blue color beads which are there in this, and this is very classy. I don't have much jewelry in silver. Generally I opt out for gold jewelry or little bronze shade, but this is something which really fascinated me and this is really cute. So I just got this from there, and along with this I got a pair of earrings which are again sort of a dream catcher thing. I'm inspired by that, I guess. So yeah, this is how it looks, and yeah, these are the earrings as you can see. So these both I got it from there, and I'm going to wear this maybe on Ganpati or something. I'm planning to. So let's see. I'll surely put on my pictures on Instagram wearing this, so you can go and check out that. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put the link below. So yeah, I'll just wear this and show you how this chain looks. Just a minute. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It is long enough as you can see, but I feel it's nice. It's cute. Yeah. So these I got it from Instagram, and you can also follow them. It's Shop Classy Official again, I'm saying, and you can check out their latest jewelry collection. So now the third thing which is there is basically a shade of nail paint which I'll just show you. This was the first bottle which I got it from Big Bazaar, and it is from W7. As you can see, it's from W7. Now I was so obsessed with this color. I fell in love with this so much that I got 2 more bottles of this. So yeah, I'm really in love with this color nowadays. And as you can see, I've not applied any nail paint yet because I want to apply this one. So I'll soon apply this, and I got it for 50 bucks. It's available in the Big Bazaar, and the brand is W7. So it's really nice. Only the thing is that because it's a light shade, it's a light blue shade, you have to apply multiple coats to get that exact look which is there. But really, I love this. So the next thing which is there is basically a top. Now generally guys, when I go out for shopping, I end up buying something either which I had thought from home and I thought that yes, I'm going to buy this, and I end up finding that and I'm just going to grab it up, or I get something in a color which I am liking it. Like last month I had things in yellow. I got so many things in yellow, and still after that July month I also got another top in yellow color. Or I generally end up buying something which is of a color which I don't have in my wardrobe. So this time when I went to Globus, I actually got this purple color top. As you can see, this is from Globus. I actually bought it because of the reason that I did not have this color firstly, and then I was really like in love with this frill sort of look which is there. This is going to give it a royal look, and you can pair it up with skirt or white pant if you have something like this. And I generally love a georgette kind of material top generally, which are like a see-through ones. So I really love it, and yeah, I'm going to try it soon. So right now I'm not going to show you like how does it look because I'll wear it in my next video, or I'll post some pictures on Instagram. So yeah, this is the top which I got it from Globus, and this is like my favorite. Now the next thing which is there on the board is basically a novel. It is by one of my favorite authors, which is Ravinder Singh, which is this book. Yes, This Love That Feels Right. I had actually pre-ordered it from Amazon, and because I had pre-ordered it, I got it on 13th August, which was the release date, and with that I got this, which is basically a paper photo frame by Ravinder, and it has been autographed by him. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. But I couldn't be really regular with reading this one, but till where I've read, it's a really beautiful book. So you can also go and buy it on Amazon, or I guess it is available on Flipkart also. I got it for 134 rupees, and its retail price is actually 199. So it's a really nice book. If you like love stories, and if you really like Ravinder's writing, you're gonna love this one. And the best part is that he has actually written this from a girl's point of view. So that is something very interesting and really fascinating. So you can go and have your own copy. Palazzo pant, and I have actually already worn it, and I have some couple of pictures on Instagram with it, which is this rust color palazzo pant, which I got it from Big Bazaar again. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a plain rust color palazzo pant which you can pair it up with your crop top and even your formal shirts, and I love it because of the color, because I don't have this color, and it is something which you generally don't find out. So when I saw this, I just wanted to buy it, and the quality is really nice, and the length is also really proper. It's not something which is really going down like really the plazos which are there, not really up to the knee. It's perfect, and I just really love it. Now the next thing which I have in my favorite list are a pair of slippers, and these pair of slippers are something which really my dad also asked me where you got it from. Are these just a minute. Are these pair of slippers which I got it from a local market, and I just got it for 200 rupees, and it matches up with the traditional clothes very well, especially. But you can also opt, if you're wearing a white top or something like this, then you can also opt something like this if you have one. But I really love it. I just love this pattern which is really in now, and still see it is having a traditional look also, if you can see this. So this is like a jutti sort of a thing, but with these patterns, which is a more Western look. Last thing in my favorite list today is basically my favorite look of the month. Last time it was Deepika Padukone's look from IFA Awards, and this time it is Ileana D'Cruz from the movie Rustom. I feel like firstly she looks really cute actually, and in the film she was looking really adorable, and the vintage look which was there really suited her a lot. The dresses, the saris really looked amazing on her, so I just love that look. This is it for my month favorite. I hope you like them, and I would really love to know what has been your favorite this month, so you can just comment below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.